All right, so here's a really cool Kalodata update. If you're located in Mexico or planning to open a TikTok shop or any e-commerce business in Mexico, because Kalodata now has Mexico data, so that would make your researching so much easier. If you're not familiar with what Kalodata is, it's basically a research tool that can help you find winning products fast. And if you need access to it, I've included a direct link to a free trial down below in the description. So once you're logged in, you will see this dashboard. And then you can come to the upper right hand side corner and select the country. So for right now, you can select Mexico. And once you're here, you're able to see the top products, the top creators, the top shops, the top videos that are making the most amount of revenue, and also the top live streams. So we can come back up and let's go to the top products. So when you're on the product page, you're able to see all the core metrics of the products, how much revenue that this product generated in the last 7 days that we're looking at, the number of items sold, the average unit price, and then when you come down here, you're able to see the exact creators who are creating content for this product and also how much revenue they're generating. So currently, there are over 300 creators who are promoting this product. And when you scroll further to the bottom, you're able to see the exact videos that are generating results. So for example, this video has over 450,000 views and generated over $5,000 of sales. And to see the video, you can just hover over the thumbnail. So this tool makes researching so much easier. I definitely highly recommend it. So if you want, you can definitely try it out yourself. I included a free trial link for you down below in the description.